What I have to do to this frame now is pretty much just tidy up any of these little lugs and tabs and things that I don't need. I could have possibly have done it while the bike was together, but it's just made it a lot easier to do now that it's all, I can access all this area with the grinder. So this is going to come off, that one's going to come off, this little bit here has got to be tidied up, and I believe there's one here on the other side, so that's going to come off as well. And then pretty much I can take it down to the powder coaters and get it all sandblasted and coated. So I'm just here at Gold Coast Powder Coating. They do sandblasting and powder coating. If you're in the local area and you need anything powder coated for your bike, then I highly recommend these guys. I've been using them for years and they do a fantastic job.